In this video, I'll show you step by step how I made $11,359 in 1 month with the Amazon affiliate program using Nemo Video AI. No expensive ads, no fancy editing skills. I'll show you guys exactly how I picked the winning product that I'm promoting, how I created videos using Nemo AI Video, and how I got free traffic from social media platforms. So let me quickly show you what Nemo Video AI actually does and how it works, because this is the part most people get wrong. Nemo Video is an AI video creation tool designed to help you create ready to post short videos in minutes without needing editing skills, complicated software, or a team. Here is how it works step by step, guys. First, you start by choosing what you want to promote. This can be a product link, a website, or even just an idea. Next, Nemo Video AI automatically generate video script, select or create short video clips, structures the content in a way that's optimized for platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. You don't need to edit anything manually. You can customize the script, visuals, and pacing, but the heavy work is already done for you. So in the next few minutes, I'll show you guys how we can use it step by step. If you want to turn AI into a real money-making machine and start seeing a result like this, make sure to watch this video until the end. If you skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can start making commissions like this. I have been doing this business for over 6 years. I know what's working and I know what's not working. And now with the help of AI, it's easy for you guys to start making commissions with the Amazon affiliate program. So let's get started. This is my Amazon affiliate account. And step number one, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one, okay? This is Samurai here, and this is my commissions, and this is bounties over here, okay? What you need to do next is you need to find a winning product that you will start promoting as an Amazon affiliate marketer. So you need to promote product that already has high demand, that already people are paying for on Amazon. That's how you can make commissions. Okay, let me show you how we can do it. So I already did a lot of research, guys, and for me, I find this product that's getting a lot of sales. Okay, almost 500,000 of people paid for this product, and this product, guys, it's still getting over 20k sales in the past month. Just in the past month, this product got over 20k. Okay, which is crazy. So this product has high demand. So what you will do next, guys, you need to create a video that you will use to promote this product. Okay, of course we will use Nemo AI Video. Okay, so I have tested over 100 AI tools, but only Nemo Video truly helps you save time, make money, and stop working overtime. Remember, hard work doesn't always lead to success, but using the right AI tools definitely can. Most creators spend hours cutting clips, editing voiceovers, and searching for the right music, only to end up frustrated when their videos still don't perform. Nemo Video changed all of that. It's an AI powered video editor that analyzes your content, automatically generates the perfect script, adds voiceovers, and edit everything for you, all in just a few minutes. No timeline, no stress, just a catching, ready to post videos, guys. Let me show you why Nemo Video is the key to scaling your content and make videos that you can use to promote your affiliate links. And Nemo Video is designed specifically for short form creators and e-commerce sellers and affiliate marketers who need quantity and quality, and it's completely outperform traditional editing tools. Let me show you how you can use it, because it's beginner and it's friendly, it's easy to use. You just need to sign up to Nemo using your email address. I will leave a link in my video description, guys, so you can go and check it out. Okay, so once you finish, this will be your homepage. It's super easy and simple. So what you will do here, guys, is you need to give Nemo Video AI your idea. Okay, you can upload your clips or you can paste the product link here. So Nemo will analyze your link and make a video for you. Okay, so let me show you how we can do it. You will go back to this Amazon product page and you will copy this link of this product, okay, and you will go back to Nemo AI video and you will put this Amazon product link here, okay, that you want to promote, and you will click here on create video, okay, and Nemo AI video will start analyzing your link. You guys can see here, which is crazy. That's really insane, guys. Okay, I can see you have shared an Amazon product link for a bed. Okay, you see, could you clarify what you would like help with regarding this link? For example, are you looking to create video content about this product? So Nemo asked me if I want to create a video review or unboxing or promotional video. So I will say here, okay, in the chat, okay, you can chat with Nemo AI, and I said yes, I'm looking to create a video content about this product, like a review, and they will click over here and Nemo will keep asking you questions, so to give you the best result, the best video that you guys can use to promote this Amazon affiliate product, this Amazon affiliate link on social media. Okay, you guys can see here, I'll analyze this product link for you. I'll analyze this Amazon product page to help you create a video content for this bed, okay, this bed product. You see, Nemo is thinking, it starts analyzing this. So once you finish, guys, we will keep talking and give more details, because the more details, the more info you give to Nemo, it will make an amazing video for you guys that you can go and post on like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram to promote your Amazon affiliate links. Okay, you see this Nemo generate project. Please review and confirm. Looks good. And here you go. Okay, once you finish, guys, I already used Nemo. Once you finish talking with Nemo, you will get a result like this. This is the video that I got. Also, guys, you can change the voiceover from here. So they have different voiceovers, as you can see, okay, over here. And also, if you want to add caption, they have different captions that you guys can use. Also, they have different background music that you guys can use for your videos, okay? So this is the result that I got. Let me show you guys, okay?
Tired of sheets that slip off and ruin sleep? Unbox this amazing luxury sheet set. Feel the incredible hotel softness. It's so cool and breathable. It's like sleeping on a cloud for the best rest ever. You get 2 elegant embroidered.
And here you go, guys. This is really an amazing video that you guys can use, okay? You can also upload the videos to Nemo, the videos that are on Amazon. He will edit those videos for you, and you can go and use those videos safely to promote your Amazon affiliate links on social media using free traffic, okay? So once you finish, you will click just here on export, and the video will be exported to your laptop. That's exactly, guys. And once you finish, guys, you will go back to this Amazon products page and you will copy your affiliate link here like this. Click on get link to get your affiliate link. This is your affiliate link. Just copy this link and go. You have a video, you have your affiliate link. You can go and create a YouTube channel, or you can create an Instagram page, or you can also promote your affiliate links on Pinterest and start posting like those videos. Start posting content and include your affiliate links in your descriptions. That's how you can make money with the Amazon affiliate program. And Nemo, guys, can help you make videos just in few minutes. I will leave a link in the description so you guys can go and check it out and give it a try. It will help you a lot to scale and make content for your affiliate offers that you are promoting, okay? And thank you so much for watching. If you have any question about Nemo AI video or about affiliate marketing, just leave it in the comments, and see you in my next videos.